Rush is the senior figure in Philadelphia medicine when the outbreak takes place. He has been instrumental in all of the city's efforts in health and medicine across the 18th century. I think of Rush as a hero. As an older man, as a senior figure like that, he could well have left town. His own sister died of yellow fever. He knew how bad this was. He saw it every day. The fact that he got the treatment wrong shouldn't, I think, take away entirely from his pretty heroic efforts to deal with the problem in the first place. He rushes to deal with this. He identifies this disease. He is cognizant. He recognizes how serious this is going to be. And he does a tremendous amount of research, such as one could do in the 1790s, to figure out how to deal with it. He finds a tract written, I think, in the 1760s, maybe even a little earlier than that, which describes the autopsy of a yellow fever victim, and decides that what we really need to do is get rid of the bad blood, that there's too much bad blood in these corpses, and therefore if we get it out. And so what he prescribes are a series of really awful purges, bloodlettings. It's not the right response. But Rush was doing the best that he could in the context in which he was operating.